Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video is going to be unboxing and haul from Shop Miss A. So if you guys are interested for this kind of video, then just keep on watching. For those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Princess, and like I said, today I am going to open this package from Shop Miss A. I did get this products from their what do you call that, President's Day. I think it's President's Day that they have the $1 shipping. So whenever they do have $1 shipping, I always get some stuff from their website, like new stuff. So these products are going to be new stuff on their line. So the AUA Studio. Now I am going to open this one because I am so really excited to open this stuff and try them on the next videos that I'm going to do on my channel. It's been a while since I sit down and do a makeup for you guys, and I really miss it because of I just have this busy schedule that I do shop with me videos from Marshalls, Walmart, some of the like TJ Maxx. Now I am going to try to mix between of this two content. Now I am going to open this because I can't wait to open this one. And the only thing that I remember, I did get their new tinted moisturizer or something like that, and some of the eyeshadow quads that they have in their website. Also, I haven't done the video dedicated to their skin line products. I am so behind. A lot of things here. I'm gonna put this aside. Let me fix my there. First, I did get this makeup bag, and this one is the No Thank You like makeup bag, and I really love their bags because they are very affordable, and this one is really cute, although I did get a little bit of stain there, but it's okay. So here it is. It's a yellow bag with a no thank you bag because of we are now in the society where we can pay extra 10 cents of each bag that we're going to use whenever we shop. So this one, it is really nice to have to remind me that I need to bring my own recycle bag. And then next one, I think that's why something broke and it's not really good looking. This one, that's why I have this thing. This one is in the shade of Fairy Garden eyeshadow that I need to tell them. So I'm going to tell this to them because I am doing the eyeshadow palettes, their quads, a review video. So like I said, this is the like a clear AUA Studio makeup bag, which is a sunflower. And then I just need to make sure that I don't have this thing, so I'm going to open this. So here it is. I like this kind of their makeup bag because I can see clearly inside of the bag. So you can use this as like a makeup bag or toiletries, or you can use this as a like a mask container and then put it on your purse, so that making sure your masks are clean. So it looks like kind of fancy. So this looks like a spring to summer makeup bag. That's why I bought it. So next ones are this. I think these are the new 3D foam mink lashes, and this how they look like. I am into this kind of a long kind of glamorous kind of dramatic eyelashes, and these are in the shade of Or Style in Jean, and these are $7.55. So basically they are $7, and then the 55 cents are going to be in their charity, which is the Popo. It's like an animal charity they have in their website. And of course they are all cruelty free, vegan free. And then the next ones I have in here are their buttercream gel liner shadow. I have in the neon shade in Energetic. This is kind of like orange. And then I have the metallic one, which is in the shade of Luxury. Did I ask for this? I don't think I asked for this Luxury. I think I asked for a green or yellow shade, I guess. I'm gonna check that one soon. And then the next ones I have in here is their lipstick in the shade of Make Out. So this is how it looks like. I think it's kind of a red pinkish color, which is nice. And it does have a scent in it. It's like kind of sweet scent. And I like the packaging because it's kind of matte. And then I have in the shade of Flirt. And let me see. Still same thing, same scent. And this is how it looks like. It's like kind of more of an orangey compared to the first one, Make Out. It's good. I like this ones because I'm going to wear them on springtime. The next one I have in here is their new AUA Studio Volume Boosting Mascara. This is black, and I'm going to show you guys the one how it is. I think it's just like a regular mascara, but it's like more of a volumizing. And then the next one I have in here is their micro brow pen. This is one of their new product, still in the AUA Studio, and I've got the dark brown. So I am going to open this one later on. And then the one thing that I am really excited about is the AUA Studio, their top secret concealer, correcting concealer. And I've got the green shade, which is like, I'm going to use it on right here because I have the red spot right there, and then maybe right here. So I'm going to test that out soon with all of these products. And then next product, it is the Vita Glow Tinted Moisturizer with vitamin C, and I've got the shade medium. And then let's go to the eyeshadows. I've got their quads. I've got their 4 of their quads here. These eyeshadows are their Fairy Garden eyeshadows collection. I did a mistake. What is the shade on this one? So the first eyeshadow I've got in here is Peony. This is how it looks like. It is much more of golden and kind of yellowish shade, like on the warm side. And then the next ones I've got in here is the Lily. This is how it looks like. It's like more on the neutral side. It does have 1 shimmer, 2 matte, and 1 of matte with a little bit of shimmer in it. And then this, I think this one it does have 1 shimmer and kind of metallic and 2 matte. And then the next ones I've got here is the Willow, and it does have one matte and the rest are shimmers or metallics. And then the next ones I've got here is the Orchid. I believe this is like the more of a kind of berry side, purplish berry side. So I need to tell this to them and see how it is. And then the one of their kind of gel liner, because I'm not sure if I got the right shade. And then the next two palettes I've got here in their Sunday Afternoon Eyeshadow collection. I've got in the shade of Midday Stroll. So this is like kind of blue eyeshadow palettes mixed with kind of white cream shade, like a transition shade, I guess. And then the next one, it is in the Depresso. So it's much more of a neutral with a glitter and shimmer into matte. So I'm going to open this. This is how they package this one. It does have a plastic in there. I wish they did that on those eyeshadow quads. So the Midday Afternoon, this is how it looks like. And then the next one is the Depresso. I am not going to swatch them yet because I am going to do a video dedicated on these two eyeshadow quads, this two, and then the other collection. And then the rest I'm going to mix and match. And I think that's it for you guys. I hope you guys like this video. Please give this a thumbs up and see you on my next video. Bye.